Hello everyone, so today starts a series where I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. Now, before we are going to actually learn the cube and how to solve it, I have to teach you how the pieces work and the notations. So first of all, if I disassemble this cube, let me just take off these pieces. You can see that there's a core. That core is connected to all the middle pieces. And what you can do is you can move the middle layer and the core will actually move. Now, for starters, you have to say that there is, oops, I did it wrong. So first, the three-sided pieces. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And they will always be three-sided ones. Next are these ones, which have two colors. How much are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they will always be with two colors. So now you have to learn the notations. So basically, normally you do the notations clockwise. However, if it's prime, then that means it's counterclockwise. So we have R, which basically means look to the right and then turn it clockwise. Wait, no, that's counterclockwise. You look, sorry guys, I don't have a proper tripod yet. So you look to the right and you move it clockwise. So that obviously means that R prime is you look to the right and you move it counterclockwise. And you do the same thing with all of them. So for L, which means left, you look to the left, and L normally is clockwise, so you have to move the cube clockwise. So that would be like that. And of course, L prime means left counterclockwise. So you can do the same thing with all of them. So this is U. U is look up and turn clockwise. However, U prime is look up and turn counterclockwise. Same thing with down and back. I don't really need to explain those because it's the same concept. So anyways, that wraps up today's video. Next video for learning to solve the beginner's method will be the first layer.